Hi, I'm Scott Henshall, international fashion designer and former creative director of British luxury brand Mulberry. I've dressed many a superstar, from Kylie Minogue, Victoria Beckham and Paris Hilton. I'm also delighted to announce that I am the British ambassador and face of MK13. I am completely obsessed with all things skin and beauty, so this is why I'm so excited to have discovered MK13's quantum molecular technological face spray. This is not just a water-based face spray that is 100% organic and natural, suitable for all skin types and ages, but because it harnesses the molecular properties of its ingredients, which include selenium, zinc, sulfur, and bicarbonate, it is a one-stop shop to revitalize, refresh, and detoxify your skin. I've been using MK13's Quantum Molecular Face Spray for 4 weeks now. I use it 6 to 8 times a day, depending whether I'm out in the sun, and I find that my skin is glowing. It feels more refreshed, it feels plumper, and I can see that the fine lines have vanished, which is great. If you suffer with redness, rosacea, and acne, it's also perfect for that as well. It can also be worn over your makeup. And the great thing about this face spray is I don't always want to be constantly applying SPF throughout the day, but this helps with the free radicals and helps stop the harmful effects of UV rays. It is a one-stop shop. You need to buy this and put it in your handbag and take it with you everywhere.